You're filming it. I'm not actually supposed to wear it. Filming putting on my hat. It's just be interesting for whoever's going to watch this.
I'll put it as my Bevo still.
Don't you dare.
Oh yeah.
No. I'll delete you on there.
Market, Saxmundham, Darsham, Halesworth, Frampton, Beckle, Alton Broad South, and Lowestoft. Platform 3 for the 1702 service.
That's mainly why I'm trying to look good on a little film you make. Suits me, yeah?
Yeah. Are you taking me off the end of the platform?
Yes.
Great.
Taking the people on a tour of Ipswich Station.
If they didn't know it already.
This is a landmark in Ipswich. We may show this to people who don't travel a lot on trains.
True.
Not
Oh,
everyone
there's our
travels on
bench.
trains.
This is ours, okay? Very nice.
Ow. It's not very comfortable.
Probably because it's cold.
This is where we go sometimes.
Don't let them on to us.
Huh?
Don't let them on to us.
Who?
Not making sense. I don't know. Whoever's going to see this? The people who don't travel on trains very often. You really are taking me up into the platform.
Yeah. This is the end. This is where we're not supposed to go. Right, but here, we're going to stop something.
You're going to cross
soon.
the line.
We're going to stop something.
Look.
Don't cross it! There we go. Let's take the other route, so the scenic route.
It'll cut out in a minute. They only take 3 minutes.
Oh. Let's run. Pretty much feel free to run.
Bye, Johnny.
Train.
I can't see them.
It's our own version of Transport. How much film we got left?
I don't know. It doesn't tell me.
So yeah, that's just pretty much just the station. That's it. It's not very interesting. Especially trains and stuff. Usual things you find at a station, you know. And that's it. That's the tour.